Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post on Threads. So first you go in the Threads app and then you click on your profile icon, which is the last icon below. After that, you click on start your first thread if it's your first, and then you type in whatever you wish to type in. For example, you can choose to add pictures, and you can also choose to add anything you wish to add, maybe videos and co. After that, you can type in anything you wish to type or edit. You can add emojis, and then you click on post. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.